When funding is added or removed from a project, it's important to update the project spend plan to clarify how the project intends to spend the additional or remaining budget. Ensuring an accurate plan allows users to compare actual spending to both planned spending as well as the total available funding, allowing users to more easily identify if the project is spending at an appropriate rate. To update the spend plan, access the related project and click on the Financials tab on the left-hand navigation menu. First, update the total project cost to account for all budget changes. Then, update the related fiscal year to account for the increase or decrease in expected funding. Depending on where the project is in the year, users can then press the Auto Spread button to evenly spread the budget across the fiscal year. Special expenses can also be used to identify months where large procurements or expenses are expected. To use, press the Special Expense button and enter the related value and description on the affected month. Users can then spread the remaining budget evenly across the fiscal year with the Auto Spread button, easily creating a custom spend plan. Finally, if the project is in the middle of a fiscal year when the budget or funding level changes, or only select months are affected, users can manually update the affected months accordingly. Note that the system will check to ensure the monthly totals or fiscal year totals do not exceed the fiscal year budget or total project costs respectively. Therefore, if an error flag is provided, simply check to ensure each of these values has been updated accordingly. Finally, once your financial plan has been updated, please make sure to save all changes before navigating away. This completes the help video for updating a project's financial plan. For more information about other areas of the project management tool, please refer to our other help videos.